Hello guys, welcome back to Animatronic Workshop. And we are here in my Chuck E. Cheese Roblox Build-A-Boat. It's been a while, so much stuff happened. hmm This changed it to a million different other stages and locations. From Middletown to Road Stage to 2 stage, 1 stage, stage. Now it's a 3 stage. Now, let's go in. The old 2 stage animatronic. Ducky Angry still work. Now, been a while, so we got new games like Jasper Carousel. These things. Very fun games. Pew! 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 Oh, I broke it. Yeah, we also got this thing. Very dumb and fun game. The clock ride is still here. G. Oh, G. Dog ride. Feed the dog. We also got Flappy Bird. The old wacky mold still. We also got a brand new plane ride. Very crazy. Haha. Mickey Mouse. Haha. Anyway. Wee. Wee. We also got a brand new prize corner. Hockey. It's based on the one at Dubois. Check it out. They have one for some reason. Very fun. And fun. We also got this that's under construction. What else? Anyway. We also got the brand new showroom. Yeah, we're not Staten Island one anymore. It's now these. Now, before I show you the brand new 3 stage, let me show you the facts. We got Krusty, the Avenger costume, Avenger, and the old 2 stage Munge. Still sort of work. He's right now being used for parts. Helen was destroyed and Jasper the Squall so they get to be on 3 stage. Now, for epic reveal, like, actually, there was some record posters. I'm not doing the record things. I also got the plans, more plans, the lights thing. Tried to recreate the booth. Now, we will do stage. Chucky! Chucky! Let me show all of them. Just got a brand new one. Junior. The original one destroyed because it was town of Jersey. Why is he not hopping? Um, Hop. Weird. Wilmington, North Carolina. It'd be like. Now, we also got a cool Munch with most of his real movements. Look at those arms. Hey, he can also lean back now. We also got Charles Jesus. We also got Mr. We also got Chiespa and Pasquale. We also got the pizza. We also do not have a moon right now. We also got the wing. It was winky before. Dang it. Well, let's just look inside Munch's Oregon. It's not that Oregon. This Oregon. Evil laugh. Okay. Anyway, so this is it. You know, the look around. It's very cool. So I hope you enjoyed the video of part 2 of my homemade pork pages. You know. Bye.